Hi everyone, I'm Arslan, an AI engineer working on real-time AI applications, and today I'm going to show you something amazing using Vapi. In my previous video, I built MockMate, an AI-powered interviewer using Vapi, and today I'm going to show you how I have upgraded using Vapi's outstanding features. Those who didn't watch my previous video, link is in the description. Go and watch how to build a MockMate with Vapi. So let's start today's video. Basically what MockMate is, it is a voice-based mock interviewer assistant that uses Vapi to handle real-time speech, memory, and dynamic logic. So what started as a simple demo quickly turned into a fully modular voice agent thanks to how extensible Vapi really is. Yeah, and it could talk, ask questions, and simulate an whole interview. But I barely scratched the surface of what Vapi can do. Today, I am upgrading MockMate using Vapi's full feature set and showing you what Vapi is more than just a voice wrapper. So let's start. Let me minimize my video first. Yeah, so basically Vapi starts with assistants. You customizable intelligent voice agents. You define their behavior, give them memory, personality, even tools to use. So let's start discussing about the Vapi. First of all, you can see that we have the assistants here. You can create multiple assistants as you want. There are a few templates already been given. The care coordinator, feedback cacher, appointment scheduler, info collector, and everything. You can even build a new assistant as I did. I had created this MockMate in Vapi using we have like several features here: the model, the voice, the transcriber, tool, analysis, and advanced. So in model, we have multiple options to select the LLM. We have OpenAI, Azure, Anthropic, Google, custom even, so much more. There is a variety of the models provider we can have here, and in that we can have multiple models, each with having the best thing about like Vapi is they have calculated the latency it is going to cause. It is 400 milliseconds and the cost will be $0.08, and this is what 4 cluster is costing right now. So it also gives you immense features that we can utilize, like the first message the bot should speak, the assistant should speak. So you can even select the greeting message, first message, and the time when the assistant should speak. Like it should wait for the user to speak first, or assistant should speak first with the model generated message. So I have already set my message that assistant speaks first, and the assistant should say their name. Hello, for example, I am Arslan, so it will be the bot will be like talking about hello Arslan, this is from MockMate, and blah blah blah. So yeah, and it also gives you the feature to give a prompt. So basically, I have written a prompt which follows a full structural format. So it follows it. Here we can also see that I have like given the curly brackets to some words, some variables. So basically, in my previous video, I have shown it already that I have integrated this MockMate with my n8n account. So yeah, I'm using n8n to automate the whole workflow with Vapi. So as the form will be submitted by the user having the following credentials, those credentials will be used in the prompt. So basically, this is the power of the Vapi, that it is using all the details from the form that the user will submit and ask question based on that form. So the knowledge is not like something which is getting lost in here. So it is getting every detail. So this is the best thing about Vapi. And then we have the files, but this is basically something we can say that this is the knowledge base, which I will show you later in the video. Currently, I have submitted the knowledge of all the questions, like interview questions. I have different roles like data scientist, data analyst, and everything. So I have like combined the interview questions of all these posts into one file, and I did it in here. And after tokens and temperature, you can adjust it as per your need. Then we have the voice configurations. This is the best thing. Vapi offers various voices platforms that you can use. For example, Vapi also offers your own voices like Cole, Harry Spencer, and each one of it is like amazing. I am currently using the page, which is 26-year-old white female, deeper tone. It gives you real human touch. the conversation with this assistant is amazing. And then we have the additional configuration. You can also add background noises like the office, and also if you have your own voice that you want in the video at the back of background sound, you can add here using custom URL here and the input minimum character. Also, you can use punctuation boundaries. You can select as much as you want. I have selected few. Based on these things, my transcription will be made. And then we have the transcriber. There are tons of models Vapi is offering, like DeepGram, Azure, Claudia, ElevenLabs, and others that you can use to make the transcription of the conversation that the assistant is having with it. Also, you can define the key terms that you don't want to miss in this transcription. So this is the best thing about Vapi, that it offers multiple key terms that you don't want to skip it in the transcription, or even with wrong spellings. So this is a good thing. And then we have tools here. Tools basically is a best section so far. You can add multiple tools. I have that I want to transfer the call when a certain condition is met, and then I want to add my data into Google Sheet when a certain condition is met. I'm not delving into these details because it will take more than just one video to cover these tools. And they are also just let me give you one overview of it, how these tools work. So basically, simply click on it and just click on the create, and you can have these tools here. You can create as much tools as you want. Console functions and predefined functions, then we can even generate the summary. Right now I'm not using it because Mockmate is not generating summary of it, so yeah, I'm not using it, but you can use it. It is great. It gives you a good summary of the whole transcription. Coming up now, we are going to see 3-4 cool features that Vapi offers: the start speaking plan, the voicemail detection, and the stop speaking plan. Basically, these are one of the finest features Vapi is offering. These are the configurations that you can configure for your assistant. For example, I have set the wait second to be 1 second. The bot should wait at least for 1 second before speaking. The smart endpoint, I have make it selected all the configurations manually, so I don't need any other Vapi or it. So yeah, I need 0.1 second millisecond to wait after the transcription ending with the punctuation, or no punctuations. I have selected 1.5. So yeah, this is my configuration, but you can select Vapi's. It will be the smart ending, so endpoint. So it will not be allowing you to configure your own. So yeah, I have done this thing. This voicemail detection provider is offering you how to detect the voicemail if a bot calls on some number and the number is on voicemail. So yeah, it also detects it. It is offering you 4 platforms. So Vapi is on, recommended because it is the best so far. I have tested it myself. Google, OpenAI, and Value. And for this stop speaking plan, this is also something I have configured for myself. The default value should be 0, and the voice seconds and back of seconds here, you can set it and test it as per your need, and see what fits you best. This is something very important for everyone to know, that Vapi offers HIPAA compliance and audio records to be stored or not stored and everything. So the privacy section has everything in detail. If you want this to be enabled, no logs, recordings, or transcriptions will be stored. So this is so good and so important for users' privacy. So thumbs up for Vapi for working so hard to make it possible. So yeah, this was it, and I hope I have covered enough for today's video. And for the next video, I will be talking about more features of the Vapi. So far this is all done from my side, and see you next time definitely to discuss more features and everything about Vapi. So yeah, till next time, take care, bye.